More linear power is just boring. Yeah, I mean, I guess, man, I can understand what you're saying. There's something exciting about that aggressive snap and that abrupt power band. Sure, I mean, there's something cool about that. Especially when you hop on a bike and you haven't rode for a little while and you're hitting a track you're familiar with. However, when you're racing and you're running a race that might be 10, 15, 20 minutes or even longer, and you're trying to hold on and you want a good finish, you get over that quick and you want a smooth linear power. It's way easier to ride, especially for those of us that aren't experts. This is why a lot of the pro bikes are actually slightly detuned. Not the guys that are nuts, but a lot of the other guys, they have a more linear map on there in the 450 class, obviously not in the 250 class.